In the sunny town of Ocean View, where Super Ryan lived, there was a sparkling ocean full of colourful fish, friendly dolphins, and happy turtles. But one day, something strange happened. Super Ryan, with his cape fluttering in the ocean breeze, received a secret message from the sea. It was a plea for help from the sea creatures who were feeling sick because of yucky pollution. "Oh no!" exclaimed Super Ryan, his eyes wide with concern. "We have to help our ocean friends." He gathered all his friends, Lily the rabbit, Timmy the turtle, and Sammy the seagull, and they set off on a daring adventure to solve the pollution puzzle. "To the beach!" declared Super Ryan, his voice ringing with determination. As they journeyed to the shore, they chatted excitedly about the ocean and all the amazing creatures that lived beneath the waves. "I can't wait to see the dolphins," exclaimed Lily, her ears twitching with anticipation. Their first clue led them to a twisty maze of sewage pipes. It was dark and spooky, but Super Ryan wasn't scared. With his strong muscles, he lifted heavy lids and helped his friends find their way through the maze. "Watch out for the slimy goo," warned Sammy, as he flapped his wings to avoid a puddle of muck. As they navigated through the maze, they encountered all sorts of obstacles. Lily giggled as she tried to hop over a big, squishy blob, while Timmy used his shell to shield himself from dripping slime. "Ew, gross!" exclaimed Super Ryan, wrinkling his nose at the stinky smell. Finally, they emerged onto a sandy beach, but their adventure was far from over. They followed a trail of sticky footprints to a big black puddle near the shore. It was an oil spill. "Oh no, this is terrible!" cried Super Ryan, his brow furrowed with worry. Quickly, they sprang into action, grabbing buckets and mops to clean up the mess. They scooped up the oily goo and poured it into big containers, making sure to keep the beach nice and clean. "We have to save our ocean friends," shouted Super Ryan as he worked tirelessly alongside his pals. As they cleaned, they chatted about how pollution hurts the ocean and all the amazing creatures that live there. "Did you know that plastic bags can look like yummy jellyfish to hungry sea turtles?" asked Timmy, his eyes wide with astonishment. With the pollution all cleaned up, the ocean started to sparkle again, and the sea creatures began to feel better. Super Ryan and his friends smiled with relief, knowing they had saved the day once again. "We did it, team!" cheered Super Ryan, high-fiving his friends with a big grin. They made a promise to always take care of the ocean and the wonderful animals that call it home. And as they walked along the shore, they knew that by working together, they could overcome any problem, no matter how tricky. The end, with a big splash of hope for a cleaner ocean.